Let's suppose you are going through a lot of challenges, maybe in your relationship or in your business or in money or in your job, and nothing good is happening in your life. Then you must be thinking like, oh, nothing good is happening in my life, so how can I attract all the good things into my life, and how can I get aligned into this like attracts like concept, this law of attraction? How can I use it, and how can you raise your vibration so that you can attract more success into your life? So this is what we are going to discuss.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Hello Awesome Tribe, this is Austin Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and we have been doing live session recently on our Instagram page, and if you have been following the Instagram page, you must be aware of those live sessions. If you are not following, then do check on Instagram, Awesome Eze Official, and start following, because many of you are quite active on Instagram. So we are conducting live sessions, and recently we started sharing the daily affirmation, the short video. And if you are going through the short video, do let me know if you love it, so that we can create it more often on a regular basis. So today I want to share something interesting with you. I want to share something from the Power Book. Like most of you must have read this book. This is really an amazing book written by Rhonda, and it's really an amazing book. And there are a lot of points which are very powerful. And I want to share one point here over its point of power. It says, if you feel really good about success, no matter whose success it is, you stick success to you. Yes, this is so powerful. You need to remember this thing. Like, you have to start being joyful and excited and happy about even other people's success. That's the core of the law of attraction, right? Like attracts like. So this is what we are going to discuss, and I'll be sharing some success stories with you guys. Today's live session is more about raising your vibration, and how can you raise your vibration so that you can attract more success into your life. So like the basic of the law of attraction, you know, one of the core concepts, right? Like attracts like. But how can you understand, or how can you connect to this particular concept? Let's suppose you are going through a lot of challenges, maybe in your relationship or in your business or in money or in your job, and nothing good is happening in your life. Then you must be thinking like, oh, nothing good is happening in my life, so how can I attract all the good things into my life, and how can I get aligned into this like attracts like concept, this law of attraction? How can I use it? The best part is, observe and be happy about other people's success. They can be your friends, family members, or even stranger, or some your Facebook friend, or you read their success stories on some website like our website awesomeage.com, or most of you must be reading the Secret website, right? There are hundreds of thousands of success stories are there. So when you read these success stories, you feel joyful, you feel excited. And most importantly, when you meet people or when you know people who are achieving their success and manifestation, and you become happy for them, you create that vibration like attracts like, and you get ready to receive it. Like, there are so many success stories our awesome tribe, our people from our awesome tribe are sharing. You must have seen a lot of success stories we have been sharing in last couple of weeks, because we are receiving hundreds of success stories. In fact, I would say we are yet to share like around 200 to 300 success stories. Those are still pending with us. Imagine the way our awesome tribe members, the magical people, are manifesting. It's huge. It's amazing. How can you raise your vibration so that you attract success, and especially when you are not achieving any success, or you are facing a lot of challenges in some areas? So the best way to use the power of like attracts like, and being grateful. And this is what, like, today I was checking with this Power Book, and I found this particular statement, and again it resonated with the same thing. It says, like, Power Book says, if you feel really good about success, no matter whose success it is, you stick success to you. That's law of attraction. But ideally what people do, like most people have been programmed to feel like when they see other people achieving their goals or success, they feel jealous. They have this jealousy, or they feel that even if they don't have jealousy, like I know all of you are good people and you don't feel jealousy, but sometimes you feel like, oh my god, how come he or she is manifesting and why not me? Even don't ask yourself these things, because when you start asking this question to yourself, why that person is manifesting and why not me, you stop your manifestation. When you see other people manifesting, you should feel excited, you should feel joyful, and you say yes. Yes, say yes to manifestation. When they are manifesting, it means I am on the path of manifestation. It means if I am seeing them manifesting, means I am also aligned. The more excited I will become, the more happy I will become, the more joyful I will become for other people's success and manifestations. I'll be raising my vibration to a level where I start manifesting. Because remember, raising your vibration is the key. And raising your vibration means feeling joyful, feeling excited, feeling happy. That's what needed to be done. And I'm sure all of you are watching this live video, you must be enjoying. If you're enjoying this if you are enjoying this live video, just click that heart button and spread some love and let me know. So there are a few more things I want to share with you. Like it's particularly about and this thing particularly work about money. I know when people go through challenges with money, it's really difficult for them to feel joyful, or it's difficult for them to raise their money vibration, right? Because you constantly keep seeing the lack and challenges. So there are a few things you need to understand. And then I want to share some of the points from the Power Book, because it has beautifully explained. Like when it says, when some money comes to you into your hand, no matter how small it is, be grateful. Remember, gratitude is the great multiplier. Yes, in my last live session on Instagram, I shared this thing. Gratitude is the great multiplier. So whether you are receiving a small amount of money or it's a big amount of money, of course you want a big amount of money, right? But it starts with that small amount of money. The moment you receive the small amount of money, start being grateful, start being excited, start feeling joyful. Think like it's $1 million. Of course, it's not $1 million yet on physical form, but your vibration has to be like it's $1 million, because that's where you open the doors in the universe and you let the universe shows you the resources, the people, the things that can bring and that can help you receive, make that $1 million. And magical things started happening. And one of the best way to raise your money vibration is to connect with other people's stories. Feel, and when you read or listen to other people's stories, ask yourself, oh my god, how I would be feeling when I'll be manifesting like this. Always ask this kind of question to yourself. Always think about, rather than when you read other people's stories or listen to them, rather than asking like, oh, how come this person is manifesting and why not me? Ask yourself, oh my god, what kind of excitement this person must be going through, what kind of positivity this person must be having in his or her mind, body and soul, that they manifested it, and I am going to step it into that positive vibration, and that's how I am going to manifest. I am sure all of you are feeling super high, super excited, having positive vibration, right? And I believe even watching this video, watching this live session with my high vibration, you must be feeling connected, right? So if you are feeling connected, do let me know in the comment section, because that's what my purpose is, to transmit and let you step it into that vibration. And when you step into that positive vibration, magical vibration, manifestation started happening. So I believe all of you must be reading the new success stories that we have been publishing. Yesterday we published a series of success stories. 6 success stories are there, manifestation stories, in fact related to money. And all these 6 persons are part of our Raise Your Money Vibration WhatsApp program. So most of you must be aware that we have been conducting WhatsApp program. When you people requested, and we started this WhatsApp program from December 2017, and so many of you have already joined these programs and enjoying it. And I know many of our participants who have been doing it repeatedly, and they are manifesting like crazy. That's why I said we have almost 200, 300 success stories pending with us, and we are yet to publish them on our blog, and we are going to publish them very soon, because all these people are being part of this WhatsApp program, Make Your 2018 Awesome and Raise Your Money Vibration. They are manifesting like crazy. So if any of you are yet to join this WhatsApp program, you should definitely join. You can check our review section and you can see how other people are manifesting, and there are hundreds of success stories. So the best way when you are not manifesting, draw positive vibration from other people's manifestation. That's the easiest way. That's the easiest way. When you are going through challenges, read someone's story, and when you read their story, success story, ask yourself like how excited they must be while manifesting, how joyful they must be while manifesting, and try to feel it. Sometimes it may not come, it's okay. If you keep trying, keep asking, like, I desire to feel joyful, I am here to raise my vibration, it will happen. And let me tell you, all of you have that power of manifestation. And like I said in my last live session, that gratitude is a great multiplier. You should remember this, so that whenever you see other people achieving success, or whenever you are achieving success, small or big, be grateful. That's what the Power Book is saying. Like when some money comes into your hand, no matter how small it is, be grateful. Remember, gratitude is great multiplier, small or big. Manifestation in one area. Let's suppose you are manifesting something in terms of money and you want to manifest something in relationship. Be happy, be excited, and transmit that energy, transmit that vibration from one area to another area, and manifestation started happening. This is the key. Keep raising your vibration for everything: money, job, relationship, happiness, health, everything, and keep manifesting more and more things. All the success to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And if you love this video, like it, share it with your loved ones, and let them know that they can raise their vibration and manifest. Thank you.